Hi, today I'm going to show you how to install Yakima King Joe Pro 3. So before we start it, install it on your trunk, let me explain it to you all the straps over here. So we have three straps. Actually it comes with like a 6 hook, like a 3 pair of hooks. So this is a square one, which is right here. It's gonna be on the top. And there's another 2 right here. Usually it will mark side, and then this one, a little bit smaller one, it will mark as a bottom. So this is basically is one piece. Okay, and so this frame, wider one, and there's a narrow one. So narrow one is going to be sit on your bumper, and the wider one is going to be sitting on your seat on your trunk. So, okay, so let me put it right down. You put it in the middle. So that's it. Let's put it in. Make sure put it in the middle. Here. Okay, and then what you need to do, this latch is you pull it, twist it a little bit, same as on this side. Pull it, and right now, move it a little bit. When you hear the sound, click sound, it means it's locked. So it's locked on this position right now. Okay, so this square one going to the top of the trunk. It's going to be 2 of them. Okay, just a little bit, just a little bit. Let's see. Okay, make sure you put it in the middle right here. Again, the white one is sitting on your trunk, and the narrow one is going to be on your bumper. Okay. Square one is on the side. The smaller one is going to be on the bumper, on the bottom. Okay. Adjust it a little bit. Adjust it. Pull it top. Pull it top. Feel it, put it tight, good, right. So now, the next step is going to be for your bike rack, basically the rack for your bike. So this is another 2 latches inside the frame. Pull it, twist it a little bit, pull it, twist it a little bit. Then will allow you to lift this up. When it's up, pull it again and twist it. Pull it again, twist it. It will lock. Make sure it's locked. Good. So this is pretty much is ready to go. So let me explain it to you. This is to secure your bike frame. So the front of the bike is going to be facing this way, and the middle one is going to be facing this way. The last one is going to be facing the other side. So basically it's right, left, right, left. This is for your bike frame. Top, right, right. Okay, so, and again, if you pull it, twist it a little bit, pull it, twist it a little bit, and it will allow you to put this frame down. Okay, and pretty much that's it. Like, you know, if you same thing, if you want to unpack the uninstall the backpack pretty much like you can just push this over here, right here. You push it, it's going to push it. That's it. So it's pretty easy and it's pretty secure. Take it down. Take the top off. And then pull the side again, and it will. That's it. You can collapse this backpack again. Okay. If you have any question, just let me know. Thank you.